must be building a new interstate through there.
They're expanding the park.
Yeah, they're doing something huge down here.
Well, you know what? It saves us 30 minutes. So it'll take 3.5 hours to get to Cincinnati. Well, even get the license up here. 75 miles.
Guys, if you're new to the channel, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and all that good stuff. There's an actual ute. The big giant ones.
Well, that's right.
Yeah, but they put their generator up that high that keep it from getting stolen.
Oh, well, they don't fucking care. You'll see fucking things just laying out. I think they got cameras out. That's what,
Probably do. Well, it's a good look from the side view, right?
No, I love it. Drive for them. They drive in.
Let me see if I can't get straight ahead.
Multiple trucks out there. It's got 30 over. Well, when you got money, anything can be great. Yeah, even we could be pretty. We have a lot of money. See, now we're on top of the mountain.
Yeah, let me get over here. See, there's the top of the mountains, guys.
Well, when they first started, I remember
See, we're
somehow
just
you
about
went over
level
there
with the
and
mountains.
you can see all
Look at those pretty clouds.
how big